Happy Monday. It is June 27th, 2022. Julie is away for a few days, but I do have good news while she's gone, so stick around. Hey guys, I'm Richard Allen with TipRanks TV. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. This is your pre-market morning update for June 27th, 2022. Before we get into stock futures and the rest of the video, I have to share with you that we are running a 30% off promotion right now. You can take advantage of that by clicking the top link in the description right now. But without further ado, let's jump in and talk about the stock market futures right now. U.S. stock futures are in the green today as Dow futures are up 0.37%. S&P 500 futures are up 0.48%, followed by the NASDAQ futures up 0.62%. This is coming off the first positive week for the major indices since May, where the Dow climbed 5.4% last week, the S&P 500 was up 6.5%, and the NASDAQ composite was up 7.5%. Your stock futures are in the green so far today. Let's move on to some good stock market news. Over the past several weeks, many retail stores such as Target, Walmart, and others have come out and said that they have skyrocketing inventory that they just can't keep on the shelves any longer, and they are going to have to discount that inventory. Something that happens in the retail space when that occurs is major markdowns. Now, those markdowns lead to people shopping a ton and buying things that, frankly, they don't need, which leads to returns. Now, returns can cost these companies a ton of money, and companies right now, especially retail, are running on razor-thin margins. So Target, Walmart, and others are flirting with the idea of letting you keep your returns. Yeah, that's right. So if you bring something back to the store, they may give you your money back and tell you to take your item back home. So I'm not sure how this is going to work out for them, but returns do cost these companies a lot of money, and they can't house this inventory anymore. So there's a chance the next time you go to Target or Walmart to return something, they're going to let you keep it. Pretty crazy. If we take a peek at Target trading under the ticker symbol TGT, this is a strong buy based on 19 analyst ratings with an average upside of 20.75%. Before getting into your notable earnings reports, let's jump over and talk about the top gainers and losers in the pre-market. In a continued bet from Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett, Occidental Petroleum is performing well in the pre-market. Occidental Petroleum, trading under the ticker symbol OXY, is a moderate buy based on 13 analyst ratings with an average upside of 32%, and is currently up over 1.5% in the pre-market. AutoZone, trading under the ticker symbol AZO, is also up 1.5% in the pre-market and is also a strong buy based on 9 analyst ratings with an average upside of right around 5%. Your top losers so far this morning, we have Carnival Cruise Line trading under the ticker symbol CCL, down 0.32%, but is still a moderate buy based on 5 analyst ratings with some pretty crazy price targets out there for the cruise industry. Almost 100% upside there for CCL. We also have Merck & Company trading under the ticker symbol MRK, down 0.29% so far in the pre-market, but is a moderate buy based on 5 analyst ratings with an average upside of just over 2%. All right, let's move on to your notable earnings reports. In notable earnings reports, we're really just waiting on Nike to announce earnings after hours today. Nike, trading under the ticker symbol NKE, is up slightly in the pre-market, but is a moderate buy based on 12 analyst ratings with an average upside of just over 28%. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. Take advantage of that 30% off deal we've got going on right now. Top link in the description, and I will see you tomorrow morning.